Hey everyone, today we are headed to Broadmoor Hills, which is a cool neighborhood just up the street from the Village in Corona Del Mar, of course. Now, what I really love about this house is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's on a huge 10,000 square foot lot. It's listed for $5,495,000, but the views, can we talk about the views? Oh my God, the ocean, the harbor, all the way to Catalina Island. The views are spectacular. The neighborhood is top drawer, yet you can still walk to the Village. Let's check it out. Wow, a house with views like that from here to Catalina, honestly, they don't come along that often. If you'd like to take a look at this beautiful home at 2609 Lighthouse Lane, give me a call, Jules Wilson, 949-478-0139. I'd love to help you make your dreams a reality.